Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Tamara Renee. In today's video, we're focusing on this unit right here. It was sent to me from Xrsbeauty Hair. Main details on this unit: it's a single knot layered edge wig, 22 inches long, and the density is 150%. Now, you're probably wondering, what do I mean by single knot? Well, Xrsbeauty has single knot wigs, which are smaller in size. They're easier to bleach and give a more natural hairline appearance. Don't we love that? Whereas double knotted wigs have thicker knots, can be stubborn to bleach, and have a thicker visible hairline that will require a lot of plucking and customization. This single knot wig is specifically customized with a fake scalp, which looks more natural and is suitable for beginners. Also, if you're wondering, this wig is very affordable compared to double knot wigs. Crazy, right? The construction of this wig overall is absolutely amazing. It already came pre-plucked and bleached, so little work for me to do. I got the unit with the braids to show you guys the difference between the single and the double knots, but I'm going to be taking it out because we're going for a long, sleek, classy type of look. I'm going to use some hair wax to flatten the top. I'm going to use my IGK Crybaby Hair Serum, and to straighten the hair, I'll be using my Paul Mitchell Neuro Smooth Flat Iron. It's the only flat iron that I haven't used. You guys always ask me, so there it is. You guys always see me use it, and yeah, that's the flat iron that I use. Such a quick and easy install, y'all know this. I'm going in with some Got2b gel and free spray to lay this baby down, okay? We want it to be laid and looking snatched and all the above. I'll be adding some of my face powder to the parting because I want it to match my complexion a little more. And honestly, you guys, that is it, okay? So simple, so quick, so easy. All hair details are listed in the description box below, so do check that out if you're interested. Do like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.